welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to be talking about something a little bit obscure, maybe. Basically, it's about turning a little bit of something that feels like nothing into something that's kind of great. For instance, as an example, I have in front of me a little doodle. This is actually a creativity building and relaxation exercise that I used to do with my daughter all the time. Basically, this is just a plain piece of cardstock, a Sharpie marker, and actually some crayons. But what you're actually doing is you're just making one continuous line, just letting it go wherever you want it to go, and then using some color to fill in those simple shapes, leaving some empty space to give your eye a place to rest. But basically, it's so non-contextual that you can't really get stressed about it. So it's really basically just to kind of get you on the starting line, relax you, open up your mind, get you ready for fun stuff that you're going to do later on. This isn't high stress. It's just kind of like a starting point. But I started looking at these because my daughter and I have done hundreds of these, literally, and they're laying in big stacks all over the place. I was looking at these and going, you know, these are kind of interesting, and what if you just changed one thing about it? Like, what if you just, like, played it up a little bit and moved around some of the concepts and stuff? So in this, for instance, the color resides inside the lines. And as we all know, staying within the lines is sort of boring. But what if you did this? And that is, let the color reside outside the lines. Now, I think this one turned out really cool. It was just a very, very simple 10 minutes playing around with some color and then just letting it be. Let it go and let it dry, and then actually took some golden and just made the line reside on top of it. And so it turned out really, really fun. I like it, and considering where it came from, it's kind of like nice to think about how this came about. It comes about from, you know, kind of a nothing little doodle that turned into something else. Now, this does have like a coating of resin. I varnished it with resin. We'll be talking about that later and stuff like this. But I wanted you to see how taking a look at your sketches, taking a look at the stuff that you've done before can actually kind of be a great idea generation exercise, and how you can actually turn a little bit of like what looks like nothing in a sketchbook into something that's really, really fun. So flip through your old sketchbooks and some of the stuff that you've done before, and maybe you'll find that you get some really, really cool ideas from it. So enjoy.